Hi everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set a default theme in Microsoft PowerPoint, making it easier to start new presentations with your preferred style. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer, create a new presentation or open an existing one to get started. Next, go to the View tab in the ribbon at the top of the window. From there, click on Slide Master. This view allows you to edit design elements that apply to all slides, including layouts, fonts, backgrounds, and themes. Once the Slide Master view is open, locate the Themes drop-down menu at the top. Scroll through the available themes and select the one that best suits your style or branding. Clicking on your chosen theme will apply it to your current presentation. After setting the theme, PowerPoint will use it as the default for future presentations, saving you time from manually selecting it each time. You can confirm the change by closing and reopening PowerPoint to ensure your new default theme is applied. And that's it. You now know how to set a default theme in PowerPoint, helping you maintain consistent and professional presentations effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.